Good morning everyone. I'm enthusiast of grading Jasper. Today I'm going to take seminar on progressions. Progressions means by a sequence in by adding or multiplying where we'll get next number. It is called progression. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7 and etc. Here we are adding a fixed number 2 here and here example 2, 2, 4, 8, 16 and etc. Here we are multiplying with 2 for each number, so we are getting next number. So when we add or multiply a fixed number, if we are getting next number, it is called progression. Next, progressions are two types: arithmetic progression geometric progression. Arithmetic progression means by a sequence, a progression where we are adding a fixed number to get next number. It is called arithmetic progression. Example like 1, 3, 5, 7. We are adding a fixed number 2. Here 1, 3, 5, 7. So first number is A is equals to 1, and D means common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 3 and A1 is 1. So common difference is equals to 2. Next, geometric progression. Here for example 2, 4, 8, 16 and etc. Here A is 2 and R means common ratio. Here common ratio is equals to A2 by A1. Common ratio is equals to A2 is 4 and A1 is 2. So common ratio is equals to 2. Here condition is A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Means if we are getting 3 minus 1 and 5 minus 3 equal, means it is a perfect progression. Example, here 3 minus 1 is equals to 5 minus 3. So 2 is equals to 2. So this is the condition necessary for arithmetic progression. And for geometric progression, condition is A2 minus A1 is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2. Here A2 is 4 and A1 is 2 is equals to, here A3 is 8 and A2 is 4. Here we are getting common ratio is 2. So this is the condition necessary for geometric progression. Thank you.